Okay, so hello everybody, my name is Arturo Quiroz. I'm CEO and co-founder from Wareclouds. And at Wareclouds, what we do is we store e-commerce products and pick and pack their orders in people's homes. And this way, we're effectively enabling dark stores for e-commerce wherever they need and at a much lower cost. I guess you all have bought something online and thought that the shipping cost was too expensive, or it was too slow, or it was just inconvenient. And accounting for 53% of shipping costs, the last mile continues to be the critical piece where efficiency and consistency are lacking. And this is because warehouses tend to be far away from the consumers, and because delivery companies are leveraged to strong physical assets and see their efficiency sometimes above the end consumer experience. So at Wareclouds, we transformed that traditional logistics model into a model based on a sharing economy, where we leverage people's assets such as the space, time, or car, which allow us to bring the products of the e-commerce much closer to the consumer, but at a very low cost. So basically, how does Wareclouds work? We enable to the e-commerce warehouses close to the demand by using idle space. We call these spaces Wareclouds and are people's houses. And we connect those houses with people who have car and are willing to pick up those orders and deliver them to the final consumer. We call these delivery guys the clouders. And this way, we are enabling any e-commerce to offer same-day delivery and even 2 hours delivery at a very low price. For this to work, we have a platform which allows e-commerce Wareclouds and clouders to interact and help us to track the order from the moment a sale is created in the e-commerce sales channel until it is delivered to the final consumer. Obviously, this is a very large market, which has been on the rise for many years, and it has even been further enhanced with the COVID. And we are quite confident in being able to say that the model at least makes sense because we have had a very high demand for the service here in Chile. We started almost 1 year ago, and we have grown relatively fast. Today, we have more than 90 e-commerce as clients and recurring annual revenues of more than $800,000. And if we add to that we have good unit economics, it positions us quite well to be able to have a profitable company, and at the scale, it can be even more profitable. Our revenues come from charging e-commerce for storing their products, picking and packing their orders, and for each deliver. And we share that revenue with these Wareclouds and clouders. This is complemented by the fact that both e-commerce, Wareclouds, and clouders are very happy with how the model works. We have high satisfaction levels, which let us think that we are succeeding on creating this network that adds value to every user. And we have defined clear and ambitious goals for the next months, where we are not looking to be a last mile company only, rather a partner that all e-commerce companies want to have. We have the company structure in 3 areas, which are growth, operation, and technology. We're already 8 people, all with programming skills, data analysis, and e-commerce, and above all, a lot of commitment to the project. So we invite you to join us if you are seeing how we change retail logistics.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Arturo. It's time for questions. We go back to our expert board. Please share with us your opinions.
In which countries do you operate today?
Today, we are operating in Chile, and this year we are expanding to Mexico and Colombia.
Okay, and what is your month-over-month growth rate today? Last 3 months, probably.
Last 3 months, 30% each month.
Okay, thank you.
Great.
Would you mind just telling us a little bit about your team, your background, and how it's a fit?
Yeah, sure. Well, my background is mainly related to e-commerce. I previously founded an e-commerce company. So that's where I got the last mile and logistics pain. And I also work in a consultant company where I work developing the online digital strategies for big companies, where I also get to meet this big pain, which is logistics and last mile for e-commerce.
Great, thank you. Thank you so much for your answers. Yeah, please, Vilas.
Yeah. Arturo, do you have a system of rating for the clouders, like Uber, for instance? Because there is a risk that they will maybe keep the goods, no?
Yes, we do have. It's interesting because what we are building now is important that trust is a very high value in this. So what we are doing now is that the end consumer who receives the package is rating the clouder, but we are also making now that the Warecloud, which is the one who gives the package to the clouder, also will rate this guy, because it's important to know that if people is coming to my house every day to pick up things, I will rate if the guy is, I don't know, a nice guy, he's someone that's always at time or whatever. So yes, we are developing these reviews and rating for each clouder and also Warecloud.